Hey, it's Ben. I've got this OsmaR HL16 replacement magnetic clasp for like bike helmets and things like that. Company sent this over to me to check out and make a video. So let's take a look. Now this is the version that has a pull tab instead of a button. And keep in mind this is for 5/8 inch or 16 millimeter webbing. So make sure you have your right measurements for the straps you're using. Okay, first of all, this does come with instructions on how to assemble this, and there's a link to a video in here which is helpful just to see visually how it all works. But we're going to have two sides of your buckle, and let me just show you first of all how the magnetic buckling works. So this has a lip inside, and then this has a little tab inside that's going to catch it as soon as they attach. Now you can see this is a strong magnet. They'll attach themselves, all right? And once they're attached, they will not come off. That tab interlocks and it's not going anywhere. This does have a bit of swivel, which is helpful for just the adjusting to the shape of under the chin. And to release this, what you're going to do is pull this tab, and then in doing so, it releases the clip underneath and it comes apart. And I just want to demonstrate how this works. I just have this strap, and so what we're going to do first is the screw side. So I'm going to take my loop here. Then we can just tighten it down with the hex key, and it's going to thread itself into the plastic. Okay, that's all set. Now for the other side, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the clip facing the right direction. I recommend going ahead and fastening this to make sure that you're getting it the right direction. So what you're going to do is loop the end, then feed the loop through. Then we're going to take our clip, make sure it's the right direction. If you have it the wrong direction, it's not going to clip down all the way. So that's what I've done this time. I need to turn it around. It's kind of hard to tell which direction it's supposed to go. Okay, this is the right direction, and it looks like it's going in just right. So that clicked, and then that clicked as well. You want to make sure your excess side is actually on the top. So I actually did loop this the wrong way, so I'll have to fix that. But here you can see once it's done, this is how it's going to work. This is going on the underside. And to release this, all we're going to do is pull this. And what's nice is you can just do this with one hand, because the direction you're pulling is actually disconnecting the buckle as well. So that just pulls with one hand. If I pull with this, like it's not coming apart. But when I release the strap, it comes right off. So that's a nice, especially if you're wearing this under your chin. You just want the one hand detachment. It will do that. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.